There are three main classes you need to implement for a Gradle Project Plugin. This video goes over what these are. After knowing these, you can get started on authoring your own plugin.
When developing plugins, there are three main types of classes you can implement. The first is the extension class. This defines the configuration users can set on the plugin. In the simple plugin we will be developing, this includes the four configuration options: the file that tracks the current test coverage, the variable that defines the target test coverage goal, the variable that defines the type of coverage being tracked, and finally, the variable that tracks whether the build is running on the CI machine or not. The second type of class you can implement is custom test types. These have inputs, outputs, and an action defined. In the sample plugin we will be developing, we will implement a task type that has 4 inputs and 1 output. The task action will determine whether the test coverage has gone up and locks in the gains by updating the test coverage requirement. Finally, there is the plugin class, which implements the plugin project interface. In here, the extension will be created on the project object and initialized. Then, we will register a task of the custom task type and wire the inputs and outputs from the extension. Finally, we can also add any additional configuration needed, such as applying prerequisite plugins and configuring them.